The Onshape Constraint Manager is a fantastic way to understand your sketch constraints at a high level. To access it, let's go to the Constraint Manager in the Sketch pull-down, and let's take a look at this sketch that has some interesting things going on with it. There are some internal and external constraints that are applied to this particular sketch. Internal meaning they only belong internal to the sketch itself, or external means that they're connected to other entities inside of the feature list. In this case, we can select by entity or constraint. If you're having trouble finding it, you can right-click on this and choose Zoom to Selection, or even show the external reference that the dimension or constraint was related to. Work concurrently while in the Constraint Manager. In this case, I can add more relations to see what will happen to my sketch, and then show the errors that occur from that change. Of course, we can go ahead and delete it from the screen, or we can delete the constraint from the Constraint Manager list with the trash icon. And I have the final mode turned on in my sketch, which is evaluating the entire feature list every time I do this. The next thing I would like to do is look at an external reference managed in context, here denoted by the arrow in the feature list. I can turn on the display of the filters to show just the projected relations that are here for the motor mounting positions. And of course, zoom to selection if I have a hard time finding it, because these are small entities. I hope that helps you understand the Constraint Manager a little bit better.